Hello guys, welcome to Bash Engineering, and in this video I will introduce you guys how to use console input statements where a user like we can enter a value itself when we are running the program. And after that I will teach you guys how to use if statements and else statements, and I will tell you guys what they are. So let's learn how to use console input statements real quick. So program using console input statements. So over here we are having the integer a, and a is equal to 10. So we don't want it right now. We want user, we want to write ourselves, we want to enter the value of a by ourselves at the time of running the program. So to enter the value when we are running the program, we have to use console input statement and insertion operator. These two operators are pointing on the right, and this operator is exertion operator is pointing at the left. So keep it in mind, like these two operators are switched, and whenever you will see it's like insertion operator and console input, and we have to enter the value of a and then semicolon, and then we are going to print the value of a, and yeah, let's see. Now let's just compile it and run it. It's asking program using console input. Now you can see like okay, let's enter like 20. A is equal to 20. Alright, awesome. Now you can see when I ran this program, it was just blinking, like I was lost. I was like, okay, what's going on? Like, what I have to do now? Like, I created the program. I knew like it's asking for a value, but if somebody else will run this program, he can get lost. He can think like maybe the program got stuck, like what's going on. We can create a cout statement like, please enter the value of a. Alright, and then we can like create a space too. Alright, oh sorry, I forgot to write this line, and don't forget to write all the sentences and quotation marks if you want it to get displayed. And let's just get out of this program. Let's clear it, compile it, run it. Alright, now it makes more sense. Please enter the value of a. Okay, 100. Awesome, a is 100. Alright, congratulations, you just learned how to use console input statements. And using the statement. Alright, pretty much we just learned how to use the console input statement. Now let's learn how to use if statement. So to learn if statement or any statements or conditions, it is most important thing to learn the syntax. Syntax is this thing, like if statement, these are two brackets where you have to write the condition, and in this curly braces you have to write the code. Pretty much you are going to write the condition, or so when you are writing the condition, you have to use rational operators with whenever you want to enter the condition, you have to use these rational operators: greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. So right now I am going to say if a user say a is equal to 100. So we have to use rational operator. I cannot write equal sign one time. The compiler will give me error. If a is equal to 100, See out a statement. You did a great job. Let's make it more sensible. Let's change A to marks. Like if a student, if I'm a professor or something, you know. All right. Please enter your marks. All right, 100%. You did a great job. A is equal to 100. Okay, if I say mark person got 50, marks is 50. Alright, whatever, you know, whatever. So we just figured out we should say like if like marks are not 100, you know, else. Now the else statement comes and we don't have to write any condition over here. Else statement comes with only curly braces, no condition. So if it's not 100, if this block of code is not executing, then this block of code will execute and you will say like do better next time, and then angry face, do better next time. Alright, let's just clear this all crash. Alright, compile it, run it. Person got 100, awesome, you did a great job. Alright, person got 50 marks, do better next time. Alright, so I will say like if a student got 80%, 80% is a good, like not that much bad marks. So we have to write else if statement. So else if statement is basically a middle statement where I am saying marks is less than 90 or and marks greater than 80, greater than equal to 80. Then I will say see out a statement. Nice. Let's see if it makes any sense. For example, 80. Nice. What about 90? Do better next time. Alright. So I just said if it is 100. So I have to say if marks are greater and equal to 90 and marks are equal to lesser and equal to 100. "99, you did a great job." Like 90, you did a great job. Awesome. So I don't want to like write a lot of, I can write this block of code again and I can make condition for 70 to 80 or something. So it's just a quick review of if the statement, else if I just added it, and else statement. So you guys like learned this thing. It's a pretty new thing and it is called logical operator. There are 3 logical operators. So these are 3 logical operators. Let's just use it. If you use OR logical operator, is just reacting like AND logical operator. Like 90, you did a great job. 95, you did a great job. 100, you did a great job. Awesome. So let's say I want to use a third logical operator as well. If not if let's just talk about if statement over here, not else statement. If marks are not equal to 100, didn't get perfect score. Didn't get perfect score. Alright. 90. Didn't get perfect score. There you go. So whenever the if statement is true, it will get executed. So I wrote 90, or what I wrote, like 90. Yeah, I entered the marks 90. So over here this condition got true, and the condition was if marks are not equal to 100, and it was 90, so it got executed. So pretty much we used all the logical operators, and I used a console input statement in this video, and if statement, and else if statement, and else statement, and pretty much we learned a lot in this video. If it was helpful, please like it and subscribe my channel, and have a nice day. Bye bye.